on the last class that activity 18.4 is a stepwise method. Now you tell me that what this activity 18.4 tells about. If you detailed study it, then you can have some idea about this. Now you tell me. Tell me quickly. Tell me quickly. The topic tells about the process to clean the water. Yes, this is correct. So, this is the process of wastewater treatment. Wastewater treatment. What is the objectives of that project? What is the objectives of that process? That as day by day the usable water becomes, we are using the underground water and the rainfall is decreasing day by day. So, the the treatment of wastewater is required just to use it again. You can, some of you already know about this, that in industries also the water is recycled again. Okay, in the thermal power, as the thermal power is producing the steam and again it condensed by condenser to produce water again. Okay, so a very minimum amount of water is released. Okay, so this is the use of wastewater treatment plant, that is the conversion of wastewater to usable water, not drinking water obviously, wastewater to usable water again. So, this is the steps. Okay. Now, here the points are, come to section page number 222. Page number 222. There you can see the bold letters are there, that is aeration. Aeration. Next one is filtration. Filtration. And third one is chlorination. Okay. So, aeration is the agitation by air or water, air or oxygen. Filtration, that is to remove insoluble part. Chlorination, what does it indicates? Chlorination, that is removal of bioorganism. Okay. So, this is the definition, just write it. Completed. Aeration, agitation by air or water, air or oxygen. Filtration, to remove insoluble part. What are the instruments used to filtration? That is filter paper, chlorination. Here for chlorination, bleaching powder. Bleaching powder. Completed. Okay. Now come to section 18.4. Here you can see wastewater treatment plan, WWTP. Now today I will discuss on this. Wastewater treatment plant. In short, it is WWTP. Here we will see the repetition of the previous step we just discussed. Now come to the questions given in page number 223. Now answer the following question. Can you find it? The questions. A. What changes did you observe in the appearance of the liquid after aeration? Can you find out the question? What changes did you observe in the appearance of the liquid after aeration? Can you find out the question? Agitation means that is the steering or giving air with a high flow, that is high pressure. Agitation means. So what changes did you observe in appearance of the liquid after aeration? So what happened when the aeration is done? That is the organic matter present on that, it will slowly decompose to produce it will slowly decompose. Okay, and after a certain time or a day by day later on, this becomes removal from the water sample. Next one, what aeration changed the order? Obviously aeration will change the order. Order means smell. What was removed by sand filter? The insoluble parts are removed, that is the clay particle, if there any pollen grains or any piece of the plastics or etc. is there, it will be removed by the filter paper. Does chlorine remove the color? Yes, chlorine sometimes used as a color, used to oxidize. So if any oxidations occur, then it sometimes may change the color, but not every time. If it is greenish, then it ultimately converts to transparent again. Did chlorine have an odor? What is the worse than that of the wastewater? Yes, chlorine obviously having odor, but it is not bad than that of the wastewater, because wastewater having very bad smell, but chlorine, we are habituated with the smell of the chlorine which we use in the bathrooms or as a disinfectant in the household, just basically in the season, that is in the rainy season. Okay, it is also for the sanitation purpose. Clear? So next one is wastewater treatment plant. Now first of all, you look at the picture at figure 18.3, this is bar screen. Figure 18.4, this is the grit and sand removal tank. Figure 18.5, water clarifier. Figure 18.6, aerator. Okay. Have you seen these parts? Okay, so now I will draw here one figure. This is the wastewater coming out from the household or etc. Next, there are some chambers. Okay, there are some chambers. Here, again there are a chamber. Okay, first chamber, this is, there is a placed is bar screen. This is bar screen. Okay. In the second chamber, this is grit and sand removal. This is grit and sand removal. Grit and sand removal by settling down. In the third, this is first sedimentation tank. This is the sedimentation tank. Okay. This is the fourth chamber. There is also another chamber. This is sedimentation chamber. Sedimentation chamber. The number 3 and number 4 again, it is aeration tank. It is aeration tank. It is sedimentation tanker chamber 2. It is sedimentation chamber 2, and the mass, this mass, there is a sediment filter. This mass is called as sludge. From where? From the sludge, here some bioorganism is present, and there is also the production of biogas. This sludge is also called as manure. Okay, so this is the diagram of wastewater treatment plant. So, write it. What is WWTP? Write it. What is WWTP? A place where wastewater, a place where wastewater or sewage from houses, wastewater or sewage is brought for processing is brought for processing is called WWTP. A place where wastewater or sewage is brought for processing is called WWTP. There are 5 chambers. One, there is barge screen, grit and sand removal, sedimentation chamber 1. This is aerator or aeration chamber. From there, compressed air is passing by through it. All these are leaded. This is the opening of that. Sedimentation chamber 2. Okay. Through this, air is passed. Okay, completed WWTP. Okay. Next one is the steps. What are the steps here? Three steps are there. So, number 1 is physical process. Physical process, that is screening. Number 2 is the biological process, and number 3 is the chemical process. So, physical process, biological process and chemical process. Now come to your book. Treatment of wastewater involves physical, chemical and biological process which remove physical, chemical and biological matter that contaminates the wastewater. Wastewater is passed through barge screen. Large objects like rags, sticks, cans, plastic packets, napkins are removed. Okay. Water then goes to grit and sand removal tank. The speed of the incoming wastewater is decreased to allow sand, grit and pebble to settle down. Okay. So, this is the settling tank. Number 3, the water is then allowed to settle in a large tank which is sloped towards the middle. Solids like fishes settle at the bottom and removed with a scraper. This is sludge. A skimmer removes the floatable solids like oil and grease. Water to so clear is called clarified water. Okay, so what is clarified water? After removal of sludge and the floatable substances like the oil or greases, this water, after removal of the sludge and the floatable substances, that is oil and grease, is called the clarified water. Clear? So, may the definition become in your exam. What is clarified water? Okay. So, mind it. The sludge is transferred to a separate tank where it is decomposed by anaerobic bacteria. The biogas produced in the process can be used as the product fuel and can also be used to produce electricity. Air pumped into the clarified water to help aerobic bacteria to grow. Bacteria consume human waste, food waste, soap and other unwanted matter still remaining in clarified water. After several hours, suspended microbes settle at the bottom of the tank as activated sludge. The water is then removed from the top. The activated sludge is about 97% water. The water is removed by sand, drying beds or machine. Dried sludge is used as manure, returning organic matter and nutrients to the soil. The treated water has a very low level of organic material and suspended matter. It is discharged into sea, a river or into ground. Another cleans it up further. Sometimes it may necessary to disinfect water with chemicals like chlorine, ozone before releasing it into the distribution system. Okay. So, I read this portion, but this portion will be discussed on the next class, that what are the steps, how the wastewater is clarified. Okay. So, thank you everyone. Bye.